Alright, so hello guys, my name is Anna. So in this video I'm going to do Bella Poarch makeup tutorial.
Hey guys, it's Bella Poarch.
Oh, first of all, I'm not a professional makeup artist, so it's just doing something for fun, and I learn makeup by following tutorials, so this is something interesting for me, so keep watching.
My first step is cleanser. Next step is to put vitamin C. I use the Tatcha moisturizer.
So I already did my skincare steps. I'm gonna skip probably. Okay, so with the skincare, so what she did is she cleansed, she applied vitamin C, moisturizer, sun cream, so basic skincare tips. She just used different products, maybe that's suitable for her skin. I already did mine, so I'm gonna go straight to makeup. Let's start with the makeup. Starting with foundation, and I'm going to use nude. I actually really like the consistency of this one, but I feel like it's quite pricey for the amount. So it's only 25 ml. I'm not quite sure what was the pricing. I find it's to be quite overpriced, but you know, the quality is good. So she's starting with the foundation, and we're gonna do that as well. So she's using 1 pump of Morphe. I'm gonna use 1 pump of nude stick. With the nude stick, I like that they packaging actually. So this tube came in this box, and it has a mirror in it. So she applies her makeup with hands, and I'm gonna do the same. And she's using the sponge to blend it. And I want to fix my eyebrows quickly because it bothers me. So I did lamination, so now the hair, I need to brush my hair. So yeah. Okay, so next step is using the concealer. I do have very mini Tarte shape concealer, so she just applies under the eye. Okay, so it's not much lighter, which is, you know, almost similar color, and she applies actually one on her nose. Maybe use a little bit lighter shade because mine is like almost matching. I don't use lighter color, but yeah, in her video it looks like it's a bit lighter, so it should give you like highlighted effects, I guess. So she's doing eyebrows now. I'm using this funny this eyebrow pencil from my friend that I really like. And now we're just waiting for it to finish. Actually, I can skip it. So she brushed it. Her eyebrows a little bit, I think, thinner than mine and less dark, because mine is really black. So just gonna fill in the empty gaps. She's using bronzer. I'm having this one of Puro Beauty, and she's using very big brush. I don't have the big as her one. This is the biggest one I have. So just she tap it and just put in the, you know, in the cheeks. I'm noticed she put on hairband which, you know, prevents hair of going into her face, because I have a little bit of baby hair. Okay, I don't have the pink one and cute one that she has. I have this one. I don't know if I should be putting this one. Yeah, but at least it's, you know, put all my hairs up and covers it. Okay, so she was applying a little bit of her contour with her finger. I'm gonna do this one the same. So use a clean finger. Her makeup is very simple, which I really like. So she does have very good face features already, and she just enhances it. So she's using lip liner. I normally don't use any lip liner. Let me see if I have any. Okay, so I'm officially don't have any lip liners. Yeah, so I'm officially don't have any lip liners. I do have lipstick, so I'm gonna apply this here. Alright, so my favorite lipstick so far is from Kat Von D. The color is Bow and Arrow. It's very cute. So she was saying in her video that back then, a year ago when she started TikTok, she couldn't afford some of the makeup she's using at the moment. She's very grateful for it, which is a very nice thing to say from her, because you know there are a lot of TikTokers I saw the video, and the way that they present themselves is very kind of, how to say it, selfish. They don't appreciate those things, and you know, hearing that from her, who got famous from TikTok, is very you know, it shows how good person she is. Even though if I've never met her before, this video makes me feel that she's a good person. But you know, never know, maybe it just scripts. So she is doing her sunburn look, so which is, you know, she applies the blush on her cheeks over here. The only one I've got is this Benefit one, so I'm gonna apply it. It's liquidy, so I try to, you know, remove all the liquid from the brush and just apply it when I need it, and then distribute it later. Actually, I feel like it looks very cute. First look at the video for me was kind of weird of applying makeup this way. It's actually kind of cute. I don't know if you think this way, but let me know. She definitely can afford to buy a lot of brushes, expensive makeup brushes, but even until now she prefers to use hands to apply makeup, and her makeup is very simple, very light, doesn't have a lot of, you know, products, steps. So she's applying highlight on tip of her nose, and now I'm gonna do the same.
And then you put it on your chin. This for like my eye makeup and everything. This is literally the only brush.
For the entire video she has two brushes, one for applying bronzer and another one for applying bless you. In this entire video she has two brushes, one to apply the bronzer and another one just to apply the eyeshadow. This is my box. I know, it's very interesting. Okay, so I feel like even her makeup is very simple, it's quite unique. She using her eyeshadow and only applies on the inner corner, so you know, it's just not regular makeup tutorial. Got this Huda Beauty purple haze, and there is one looks like let me try to show you another one. So I've got two eyeshadows. There is one of them is purple and there's one of them is khaki. Even though khaki has a lot of more brown shades, I feel like this one on a purple one is very subtle brown and I like it more, so I'm gonna use this one. So I'm gonna use the brush and just apply on a corner like she did. So she's brushing her eyelash extensions. I also have eyelash extensions, so I'm gonna use a brush and also brush it. So here I am. So she is now doing her hair. Okay, my hair is very greasy. I supposed to do hair wash today, so this is a look. So her hair is long, mine is short, it's only until here. And then what she's doing, she's just separating them. I feel like I want to use a spray to at least hold it separately, otherwise my hair is gonna blend in together. Is it semi-permanent styling spray? I'm just gonna So yeah. Alright guys, so this is the final look. Just showing a little bit of blush on my nose, which I quite like it actually. I might add it to my everyday makeup, you know, routine. So I'm gonna put the blush on my nose. Let me in the comment section below whether you like this look or not and whether I did it well. I'm not a professional makeup artist, I just like makeup and this is something I have fun doing and this looks very cute. I saw a lot of videos doing this kind of makeup but I never tried and I just tried now and I really like it, so here it is.